Hi everyone, in this video we'll be learning what is the use of LTRIM function in Tableau. So LTRIM function removes bleeding spaces, that is spaces from the left hand side of the string. It returns same string without doing any changes if string doesn't contain any trailing or leading spaces. So to begin with, we have imported NFL offensive player sets dataset using Microsoft Excel option in Tableau. Uh, Moving forward, we move on to sheet number one and we create a calculated field with the name left trim player. So in this, we'll be using LTrim function, string as player. Yeah. Uh, so a new calculated field, a new dimension is generated. So we'll be dragging player dimension onto rows shelf. Yeah, add on windows, and we'll be dragging the left trim player onto the rows shell besides on the right hand side of the player dimension. So here we see all the features of the player dimensions have been adjusted from the left hand side on the same line. It is, that is, there is no leading spaces in them. We see Aaron Rodgers is being also in the given line. We see Aaron Hernandez is also in the same line. Uh, Alright, thank you for watching. Stay tuned.